Hello, once again welcome back. Every time you use your phone, laptop, or the internet, your data is being targeted. Bank accounts, emails, passwords, even your identity. Cybercrime is no longer a future threat. It is happening right now. That is why cybersecurity is no longer optional. It is a survival skill in the digital world. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks aim to steal information, disrupt services, or gain unauthorized access. Cybersecurity protects three things: your data, your systems, and your trust. Nowadays, everything is digital: banking, healthcare, education, even governments. A single cyber attack can shut down companies, hospitals, or entire cities. Cybersecurity protects not just technology, but people. Cybersecurity is not only for hackers or IT experts. Students, employees, business owners, everyone is a target. If you use the internet, cybersecurity affects you. Imagine clicking a fake email that looks like your bank. One click, one password, and your money is gone. Cyber attacks succeed not because systems fail, but because humans trust. In this series, you will see how cyber attacks work, how systems are protected, how professionals defend networks, and how to build a cybersecurity career ethically. Cybersecurity is not about fear. It is about awareness, skills, and responsibility. Subscribe and start your cybersecurity journey, step by step. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like and comments. Also click on a bell icon to get the latest video notification.